Deep beneath the surface, hidden in the shadowy blue expanse of our oceans, lives a being so strange, so extraordinary, that it fundamentally challenges our understanding of what life can be. Meet the octopus, a survivor spanning over 500 million years of Earth's history. This isn't just another sea creature. This is nature's greatest mystery, wrapped in 8 arms and capable of transforming its entire appearance in less than a second. Watch as it shifts from silky smooth skin to a texture as rough and sharp as living coral. The disguise is so flawless that even the most experienced hunters swim right past. Some species convincingly pretend to be toxic sea snakes or dangerous lionfish. Others flash brilliant electric blue circles as a warning of their deadly poison. A few have mastered walking on just 2 arms like stilts, and the largest among them, they rule entire territories across the Pacific Ocean, undisputed masters of their domain. But the real mind-bending truth goes far beyond this incredible camouflage. 3 separate hearts circulate blood that's actually blue, filled with copper instead of iron, allowing survival under crushing deep-sea pressure. Its brain literally encircles its esophagus. And here's where things get truly bizarre. This creature thinks with its limbs. Yes, those 8 appendages. Each one processes information independently. The octopus represents a living fossil, a window into an ancient era when beings like this dominated the underwater world. You're about to discover an intelligence so foreign, so completely different from our own, that it defies every assumption we hold about consciousness itself. Let's talk about camouflage. The octopus doesn't just hide. It performs biological magic. 3 distinct layers of specialized cells work in perfect harmony: chromatophores, iridophores, and leucophores. The chromatophores act as the first defense mechanism. These are tiny sacs filled with pigments that the octopus controls at will, shifting through reds, yellows, and browns in an instant. But there's more to this than simple color matching. In 2015, scientists made a stunning discovery. Octopus skin contains the same light-detecting genes found in their eyes. They can literally perceive light through their skin. This transformation system operates through neural signals, not hormones. Compare this to a chameleon, which needs 20 seconds to change color through hormonal responses. The octopus, nearly instantaneous neural control. Below those pigment cells sit the iridophores, bending light to create shimmering blues and greens. Deeper still, the leucophores bounce back white light, producing an ethereal, ghostly appearance. All 3 layers work together under direct nervous system command, allowing the octopus to vanish faster than we can process what we're seeing. But wait, there's more. The octopus possesses papillae, microscopic structures that reshape its skin texture. Smooth becomes spiky. Soft becomes rough. It can replicate the feel of rocks, sand, or coral in a fraction of a second. Picture being able to disappear completely while standing in plain view, morphing from vulnerable softness into something hard and completely different. Here's the most astonishing part. Octopuses can't even see color. They're completely colorblind. Yet they perfectly match colors they cannot perceive. Their skin contains light-sensitive proteins that detect brightness and shadow patterns directly. In the ocean's dark depths, this makes them virtually invisible. To understand how truly alien octopuses are, we need to examine their nervous system. Humans and other vertebrates rely on centralized brains as our neural command centers. The octopus breaks this fundamental biological rule. Its brain controls only a small portion of its total neural network. The entire creature possesses around 500 million neurons, roughly equivalent to a dog's brain. But here's the shocking part. 2/3 of those neurons exist outside the brain, distributed throughout its arms like extensions of a fragmented consciousness. Picture this scenario. An octopus alone in the pitch-black deep ocean must constantly evaluate its environment, updating its camouflage at incredible speeds. It moves with unsettling precision, modifying skin tone and texture 177 times in a single hour. Its reaction time, 200 milliseconds. Faster than a human can blink. A split-second window between life and death. The octopus's nervous system isn't just complex, it's completely alien to us. While humans possess about 100 billion neurons, the octopus has only 500 million. But the disturbing reality is how these neurons are organized. Just 1/3 reside in the central brain. The remainder are scattered across its arms, which function as independent thinking units, making decisions without brain approval. Even a severed arm continues functioning, continues thinking. For up to an hour after separation, a detached arm responds to touch, explores its surroundings, and pulls away from threats. No central brain needed. This bizarre autonomy serves a purpose in hunting strategy. The arms, operating without sight, probe dark crevices, searching by feel alone between survival and starvation. While the arms act, the central brain plans, remembers, and strategizes. An eerie partnership between brain and limbs. The octopus doesn't just master camouflage. It's equipped with an entire toolkit for survival, wielded with frightening intelligence. Consider the mimic octopus from Indonesia's Lembah Strait. This species has developed one of nature's most advanced camouflage systems. When threatened, it doesn't just change appearance, it becomes other dangerous animals. It copies flatfish gliding across the seafloor. It contorts into the shape of a venomous sea snake to frighten predators. It even transforms into a lionfish, complete with threatening spines, warning attackers to stay back. This mimicry is deliberate, calculated survival. The octopus understands how its predators think and react. Then there's the coconut octopus, which takes survival to another level. This species collects coconut shells, carrying them across the ocean floor, using them as portable shelters. It walks on 2 arms in an impressive stilt-walking display. When danger appears, it pulls the shells together, forming protective armor. This tool use was once considered exclusive to humans, crows, and primates. Yet here, deep underwater, the octopus manipulates its environment for defense. In the cold Pacific waters off Canada, the giant Pacific octopus builds hunting structures from rocks, creating ambush points between tidal pools. This creature plans, strategizes, and executes with precision. The blue-ringed octopus takes a different approach. One of the ocean's deadliest animals, it advertises its lethal venom rather than hiding. When threatened, it activates special cells that intensify its brilliant blue rings while darkening surrounding skin. This high-contrast warning tells predators like stingrays to keep their distance. As strange as the octopus's body is, its inner world is even more mysterious. One of the most fascinating aspects is sleep. While most creatures sleep to rest, the octopus sleeps to learn. Scientists have discovered that octopuses spend nearly 60% of their short lives sleeping. During active sleep, similar to human REM sleep, their skin twitches and flashes through rapid color changes. They appear to be dreaming. During these moments, the octopus isn't just resting, it's consolidating memories, building mental maps, and processing experiences. This allows the creature to absorb enormous amounts of information during its brief existence. For years, octopuses were thought to be solitary, but scientists off Costa Rica discovered something remarkable. Over 100 octopuses gathered at hydrothermal vents, protecting their young together. These, supposedly solitary creatures, form bonds and care for offspring. And then there's the final sacrifice. After laying eggs, a female octopus's body is driven by an uncontrollable urge triggered by her optic gland. She stops eating, her body deteriorating rapidly. For months, she guards the eggs without rest, wasting away. Her final act isn't survival, but sacrifice, dying to ensure the next generation continues. When you look into the ocean's depths, you realize the octopus isn't just another animal. It's a completely separate blueprint for intelligence. Its evolution over millions of years proves intelligence can take forms beyond human comprehension. The octopus navigates an ever-changing world with a mind fundamentally different from ours, reminding us that the possibilities for life on Earth and beyond are truly limitless. This creature stands as proof of the incredible diversity of intelligence waiting to be discovered in our universe. If this changed how you see the ocean, share your thoughts in the comments. Like and subscribe to keep exploring Earth's most extraordinary creatures. The deep ocean still holds countless mysteries. Let's discover them together. And if you want to learn more about bizarre deep sea life, check out the video on screen now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.